Hello viewers, welcome to this video demo where I'm going to show you step by step on how to install NeutralinoJS in your Windows PC. NeutralinoJS is a framework that allows you to build lightweight cross-platform desktop app with JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Okay, it is an alternative to ElectronJS. If you know about ElectronJS, NeutralinoJS is alternative to ElectronJS. Okay, ElectronJS is also a framework that enables you to build cross-platform desktop app with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can see it's powered by the web, it's powered by Chromium and Node.js. Okay, and it is also a cross-platform. That means you can build an app that can run on Mac OS, Windows and Linux. It is open to all, stable, secure and extensible, trusted by best-in-class apps. Okay, OpenAI, Slack, Cloud, Visual Studio Code and more. Desktop development made easy. In ElectronJS, you can also use the tools you love, any framework of your choice, to build the application, and you can see thousands of applications built using ElectronJS, including VS Code. Do you know that the popular VS Code was built using ElectronJS? Okay, that's one good thing about it. You can see popular thousands applications built using ElectronJS. So I'm just trying to introduce alternative to it, which is NeutralinoJS. NeutralinoJS is just a lightweight framework that enables you to build hybrid desktop application as well. You can build ones with JavaScript as it is stated here. So run on Linux, that is the app you build can run on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, web and Chrome browser. Okay, so and all the knowledge you need to build this application is just the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, guys. I'm going to show you how to install this NeutralinoJS. To install NeutralinoJS, you need to visit this link and click on doc, that is the documentation. So I'm clicking on documentation so you can see the documentation here. You can also read it. I will be making a video tutorial on how to use this framework. Okay, but for the meantime, let us learn how to install it in our system. Click on your first NeutralinoJS app. Here you are going to see the instruction on how to install NeutralinoJS. Step 0, installing new CLI. This is the command to install the CLI. Before installing the Neutralino, make sure you have Node.js installed in your system. So if you go to browser and search Node.js download, okay, from here you are going to download Windows installer, that is Node.js, and run the setup. Make sure you install Node.js before installing the NeutralinoJS. This is because we are using npm to actually install the NeutralinoJS. Okay, so to install Node.js, just download the Windows installer and run the setup in your system so that you have access to the npm. Okay, after successful installing Node.js, and I'm going to open the terminal. So I'm going to my desktop. I'm going to open in terminal here. Okay, this is my terminal. Let me copy the code from here. So let me copy the installation command from here, then go to the terminal. I'm going to paste it here. You can see the command npm install -g neutralino.js/neo. Okay, so this G means that you are installing it globally. Okay, let me press enter. Okay, the installation is ongoing, guys. The installation is ongoing. The installation is ongoing. You can see that it has been successfully installed, guys. Okay, for you to confirm that it has been successfully installed, if I type neo version, let's type new version here and press enter. Okay, so it is, you can see that the CLI 11.6 latest has been installed. Okay, and if you go to the browser and click on CLI, okay, you can see that the latest version is 11.6 the CLI, or you go to release note and click on CLI, you can see the latest version 11.6. That is exactly what we install here. Okay, it means now you can be able to create Neutralino application. So let me quickly show you how to create Neutralino application, guys. The command to create Neutralino application, let's go back, and you are going to see create a new app. Okay, this is the command to create your application. Okay, this is the command new create. My app is going to be the name of your app. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's go back to the terminal. Let me clear the terminal. Okay, I am on the desktop. I'm going to create a folder. I'm creating a folder named new tutorial. New tutorial. So let me just press enter. So I created the folder on the desktop, new tutorial. So let me just go to the folder new tutorial. I am in the directory that I created. To create a new app, I'm going to type new create my app. Okay, so this my app is going to, it is going to create a new folder in this new tutorial, and it is going to be named my app. Okay, but if you don't, if you just want to create the new app inside the folder you are in, you just put dot. Okay, meaning that create it in the current directory. So I'm going to press enter. So it is now checking, downloading all the required files. Okay, good. So we have successfully created a new application, guys. Okay, let me just minimize the browser. Okay, so that we have our desktop. Okay, here let me just open this in VS Code, guys. Okay, I'm opening the directory in the VS Code so that you will see the structure of the application that Neutralino created for us. I'm going to press enter. Okay, this is the app that was created for us, guys. You can see the folder structure. This is the folder structure. Let us run this application. Let me open the terminal. The command to run the application, let's go back to the browser. Okay, so you can, the command to run this application is just new run. Okay, new run. So I'm going to go to the terminal and type new run, press enter, and starting the application, guys. So you just open in a separate window. This is the application, guys. It also opened the development console, as you can see it here, but this is the main application. You can see it is a fully desktop application, guys. This is the boilerplate of this Neutralino application, and if you go to the resource folder, you can see it is pure HTML, guys. This is a HTML. We also have the JS. This is the one that comes with the template. I also have JavaScript here. Then we also have CSS. This is it. That is to tell you that everything you need to build hybrid desktop application is the knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is all you need. If you want to learn more about NeutralinoJS, let me know in the comment section so that I will be making video tutorial on how to use the NeutralinoJS to build application. Okay, can also view several API that is available under this NeutralinoJS. Okay, if you have used Electron before, it is just an alternative, only that NeutralinoJS is lightweight. It creates a simple application that is very light in size. Okay, so let's build this app so that you will see the size of the default application. So let me close the terminal. I just close it. To build this application, let's go back. To build this application, the command to build it is here. Running your application, this is how to run it. Building your application, new build release. Let me copy this command, go back to our terminal. I'm going to paste it here. So I'm pasting the command to build the Neutralino application. The default boilerplate, I have not changed anything. Press enter. Building, just within second, guys, just within second it has built the application. If you want to see the app that was built, you need to go to the disk folder. Let me review the disk folder in Explorer. Okay, this is it here. Disk folder. It compiled the release version for you. Okay, but I can delete this. I don't actually need it for now. But if you open this folder, you can see the Windows version is here. Okay, just 2 MB, guys. Okay, you can see 2.5 MB. That is the size of the application, guys. And this is the Mac version. We have several Mac version. We have the Linux version. So all this one can run in Linux version of the application. The Mac version has been built, and this is the Windows version, this one here, the executable version here. So since I'm using Windows, I can delete all these ones. I can delete it. This is just the Windows version, guys. Okay, and you make sure you keep this resource.neo. Okay, just keep it as part of your file. So let's launch this application. Okay, it has opened. This is it here. You can see it is a standalone application, guys. I can actually close this. I can close VS Code to tell you that it is actually a standalone application. Let me just close all this. So you can see this is the one. This is the production version that was built. That is it, guys. That is how to install and run your first Neutralino application. In the subsequent video, I will be creating a video tutorial on how to use the API to build your hybrid desktop application. Okay, we will also be comparing it with ElectronJS, so that allows you to build hybrid desktop application as well. Okay, we will be comparing NeutralinoJS with Electron. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys.